Which of the following is the state animal of Odisha? Option A, Sambar deer. Option B, tiger. Option C, olive ridley turtle. Option D, Barahasinga. Answer, Sambar deer. When was Odisha separated from Bihar to become a separate province? Option A, the 1st of January 1947. Option B, the 1st of April 1936. Option C, the 28th of August 1933. Option D, the 1st of November 1958. Answer, the 1st of April 1936. Which of the following place is famous for world's largest known rookery of olive ridley sea turtle? Option A, Chandipur Beach. Option B, Gauhamata Beach. Option C, Chandrabhaga Beach. Option D, Astaranga Beach. Answer, Gauhamata Beach. Which of the following district of Odisha is known as Granary of Odisha? Option A, Cuttack. Option B, Balasore. Option C, Khurda. Option D, Puri. Answer, Balasore. Who among the following holds the record for longest serving Chief Minister of Odisha? Option A, Janaki Vallabh Patnaik. Option B, Naveen Patnaik. Option C, Biju Patnaik. Option D, Hare Krishna Mahtab. Answer, Naveen Patnaik. Which place in Odisha is known as Temple City of Odisha? Option A, Puri. Option B, Cuttack. Option C, Bhuvaneshwar. Option D, Gajpati. Answer, Bhuvaneshwar. When did Bhuvaneshwar become capital city of Odisha? Option A, 1936. Option B, 1940. Option C, 1945. Option D, 1948. Answer, 1948. What is the total cultivable area of Odisha? Option A, 59.80 lakh hectare. Option B, 45.90 lakh hectare. Option C, 61.80 lakh hectare. Option D, 55.40 lakh hectare. Answer, 61.80. In which year Pandit Ji visited Odisha for the first time? Option A, 1923. Option B, 1919. Option C, 1924. Option D, 1921. Answer, 1921. Who among the following poet of Odisha has written Mahabharata? Option A, Sarla Das. Option B, Jagannatha Das. Option C, Arjun Das. Option D, Achyutananda Das. Answer, Sarla Das.